Hi, my name is Dave Nord. I'm an account executive at ADDMAN. I've been in the industry for 8.5 years. So recently we had a medical device company come to me and they're looking for an FDA approval for their device. It comes in skin contact and they wanted to go straight to injection molding, but they're not there yet. So I worked hand in hand with this customer. We ended up with multi-jet fusion in the white nylon material, which we run in-house, and we're on our way to low volume production while the customer is going after an FDA submittal with not only ADDMAN, but we got HP involved in that as well. And basically it's a bridge gap. They might keep it in additive. It might end up in injection molding. They're not sure yet, but this keeps things moving along for them to curtail their product development cycle, keep things moving on the funding side, and basically keeps the wheels turning for the company.